Okay, this is Graham during the break at the Glue Conference, and I'm at another demo company, StandingCloud, and I'm with Joni Klippert.
Yes, hello.
How are you doing, Joni?
I'm doing very well. How are you?
And tell us again what you do for the firm.
Sure. I am Director of Customer Development.
Okay.
And so I work on understanding the different developer communities and application communities that are running on StandingCloud.
Okay, let's move you back over by your booth here and tell me what StandingCloud is all about.
Sure. StandingCloud is a platform as a service that runs on about a dozen different cloud providers right now.
Okay.
And when you see that typical diagram of software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service,
right.
StandingCloud hits all three. So we have about 90 pre-configured applications that are available for instant trial or download on any of our cloud providers. In terms of a platform, you can deploy one of 5 different technology stacks right now and begin coding your own application, a custom application. And then the way all of our deployments are structured are such that they're cross-cloud portable. So should Amazon go down or your site experience latency, we can bring it up on another server on the same cloud, or we can bring it up on an entirely different cloud in an instant.
Really? And this is out there and available now?
Yes.
And how many customers do you have?
We have a couple hundred customers.
Okay. And what do they range from? Small startups to any big companies, or what?
Not really any big companies right now. What we target on is what's called the informal buyer. This could be a large company who wants to reduce the amount of work in their IT queue and help other departments quickly spin up different applications.
Yeah.
So rather than building a full instance of WordPress, yes, you can go around and get that job done really quickly.
The Department of No. I have a friend who calls it that. Yeah. So, well, let's move in and take a look at your nice site here. I don't know if you want me to just go up here to the big monitor, or do you want me to come down here to your laptop?
Let's do the small monitor.
Sure.
And I'll take you through a test drive.
Okay. Let me tilt it just a little bit.
Sure. So to start, we'll just really quickly find a Drupal instance for you. Drupal is a CMS system.
Right. Oh,
like
yeah.
WordPress.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
So here you can pick your version of your application. So if you have different code that's been written for different versions of Drupal, and you are migrating over to StandingCloud, you can choose the appropriate version, but we'll go ahead and just launch version 7. You can choose any plugins that are available, and then also here you can give your application a name. So if you are running a number of different clients, you can call this application, StandingCloud site, so that you can structure that better for your billing if you're a solution provider. The next step is to choose a data center. Here you can see that we have about a dozen different data centers available for hosting. Right now we'll go ahead and default to Rackspace Cloud. We should have a server up and running.
Okay.
And here this is just a confirmation screen that shows the size of server that you've selected, the type of application that you've selected, and all test drives are free. So go ahead and click install. Right here you see we have a fresh server running, and it will take just about a moment to install the application. What's happening is it grabs a fresh server, it takes an image of the operating system, layers the technology stack, and then the application as well on top of that.
Wow. This is slick.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're doing it all live here, huh?
Yes.
Wow. So have you been setting up stuff for developers here while you've been here at Glue? Or?
Yeah, we've had a lot of excitement from developers.
Good.
Because what people don't realize oftentimes is when you go to the cloud, and there's a lot of migration to the cloud, you're actually receiving a Linux command, right? Not like a Flickr account like Microsoft might tell you you're going to get when you go to the cloud. It's challenging to develop on the cloud.
Yeah.
So in the amount of time we were talking, you can see here that the application has been deployed. All we have to do is copy this password we've generated for you. Select go.
Welcome to StandingCloud Inc.
So this is just default, and right here, this is a full operating version of Drupal running on a fresh server on Rackspace.
Which you just set up in about 2 minutes.
Yes.
Or less, actually.
Yes.
That's pretty amazing.
Thank
so,
you.
Let's talk more about about the company. Where did you say you're based?
We're based in Boulder, Colorado.
Oh, you are. Are you a Techstars company?
We are not a Techstars company, but we are Foundry backed.
Oh, you are.
Our
Okay.
latest round was a joint round with Foundry Group and Avalon Ventures.
Okay, cool.
The last time they joined forces, I believe, was for Zynga. So not a bad
Oh, that's good company to be in.
Certainly.
Wow. So, how many people in the company?
18 now.
Wow. And you were actually founded back a couple of years ago?
About
then?
a couple of years ago.
Yeah, great. And where are you, like in downtown Boulder then?
On Pearl Street. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, what a great spot.
Thank
Well,
you.
hey, Joni, thanks for taking the time, and it's a very cool looking product.
Cool. Thank you.
Good luck with the rest of the conference.